Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to another great English class with me, Teacher Jace. That's right. And today, you and I are going to be doing lesson number 4. Are you ready? That's great, me too. Let's begin today's lesson with a fun fact. I wonder, what fun fact are we going to learn about today? Let's take a look together. Come on. Ooh, look at these pictures. Wow. I wonder where that is. What do you think? Where is it? Is it option A, Al-Aziziyah in Libya, or option B, is this Bangkok in Thailand? What do you think? A or B? Can you tell me, where is it? A? Let's take a look. That's right. This is Al-Aziziyah in Libya. It's definitely not Bangkok, Thailand, because if this was in Thailand, in Bangkok, I would have seen it because I live in Bangkok and I have never been here. So it must be A, Al-Aziziyah. So let's talk more about Al-Aziziyah. So here is a map of Africa, and Al-Aziziyah is in a country called Libya. So let's take a closer look and we can see here's Libya, and Al-Aziziyah is right here on the dot. Now, why are we talking about it? So, Al-Aziziyah is a small town in Libya. On September 13th, 1922, wow, that was a really, really long time ago. I was not even born yet. You weren't born yet either. But in 1922, the temperature reached 57.8 degrees Celsius. Wow, that is super hot, everybody. Like, I think 36 degrees Celsius is hot. Imagine 57.8. I would die. That's too hot. That's right. That's very hot. Now, let's talk about some do's and don'ts in Al-Aziziyah. Ready? So, fry an egg on the ground. Is that a do or a don't? Do. That's right. We can fry an egg on the ground. Why? Because the ground is very hot. So imagine just taking a pan, cracking an egg in it, walking outside, putting it on the ground, and just waiting. Your egg will get cooked. How cool is that? Now let's talk about another one. Should we have a sun bath? So go to the beach and just lay outside in the sun. Is that a do or a don't? Definitely a don't. Why? Because it's too hot. You'll get a sunburn and it will hurt your skin. Your skin will not look good. No, no, no. And you will look like a lobster. You'll be very red and not so good. All right, so don't have a sun bath. Our last one. Should you ride camels? Do ride camels or don't ride camels? Yes, we should ride camels. They're fun. Now, I have two places for you. Which place is hotter? Al-Aziziyah at 57.8 degrees Celsius, or Death Valley at 56.7 degrees Celsius. Al Azizia is hotter. That's right, everybody. So, in fact, Al Azizia is probably the hottest town in the world. But let's talk about Death Valley because, however, there is another hot place. That's Death Valley in California, which is in the United States of America. So let's talk some more about Death Valley because what's going on in these pictures? There's something happening, and let's talk about it together. So Death Valley is still hot and dry. There's not a single tree. That looks very hot. But some interesting things happen there. Very big stones can move by themselves. Say what? Oh, look at the pictures. You can see the stone moved by itself. How is that even possible? Wow. So what do you think of it? Crazy, I know. That's so cool. All right, everybody. So that is it for our fun fact for today. Now, let's jump right into our vocabulary and let's learn some new words. Come on. So let's learn. So we have Hotel Transylvania, which is an interesting movie. So repeat after Teacher Jace. An interesting movie. We have Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. That is an interesting book. So let's say this together. An interesting book. Great job. Next up, Peppa Pig. An interesting cartoon. Let's say this together. An interesting cartoon. Well done. And finally, I know this game. I can't beat that game. It's so hard, but it is an interesting game. Let's say that together. An interesting game. Fantastic. And our first keyword, let's say it together. Interesting. 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 Great job, everyone. Now, which book is interesting to you? Is it book A, the big one with lots of words? Or is it book B, the ones with the fun pictures and not a lot of words? So which book is interesting to you? Raise your hand if you think book A. Raise your hand if you think book B. All right. Great answers, everyone. Now let's continue on and let's learn our next vocabulary word. So here we have a picture, and this is mild weather. Let's say this together. Mild weather. Mild climate. Mild food. A mild man. Great job. And can you guess our next vocabulary word? That's right. It's mild. So let's say that together. Mild. 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 Great job. So now when we're talking about food, food can be spicy or hot. It can be sour, like a lemon or candy. It can be sweet, like cake or candy. Or it can be mild, which is not too hot, not too sweet, not too sour. It's just perfect. So which of these foods is mild? So is it the French fries, the rice, the gravy, and the chicken? Is it the very hot soup with all the peppers? Or is it hot pot? Which food is mild? A, B, or C? You tell me. That's right. A is the mild food. Great job, everybody. Excellent answer. Now, let's learn another new word. Here is our picture right behind me. And let's say a sentence with this picture. The sky is dark at night. Can you repeat after me? The sky is dark at night. Great job, everybody. And our next keyword is night. Let's say this together. Night. 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 Great work, everybody. So, which picture is at night? Picture A, picture B, or picture C? Can you tell me which picture is at night? That's right. Picture A. Well done, everybody. Great job. So now, let's learn our next vocabulary word together. And what's going on here? We have the sun. We can see the sun is going down. So let's read a sentence. The sun sets in the west. One more time. Repeat after Teacher Jace. The sun sets in the west. Great job. And our next keyword is set. So repeat after me. Set. 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 Great job. So now we have the sun sets and it goes up, which, let's read our sentence to find out that word. The sun rises from the east. So let's say this together. The sun rises from the east. And our next keyword is rise. 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 Great job, everybody. So now, which one is rise? I know this movie. It's up. So is it picture A? Is that rar? Rise? Is picture B? Whoop, bye-bye. Is that rise? Or is it picture C? Look at my tail. Is that rise? Which one is it? A, B, or C? You tell me. That's right. Picture B is rise. Great job. So can you help me match I have two pictures, and we have the word sunrise, sunset. So, which one is sunrise? Is it the left one or the right one? The right one. So that means sunset is the left one. Let's take a look. Sunrise, you got it. Sunset. Well done. Now, let's keep learning. Well, because learning is fun. So what's going on here? Let's read our sentence to find out. They are having a conversation. Can you repeat that sentence for me? Great job. And our word is conversation. Let's say this together. Conversation. Conversation. They are having a conversation. Great job, everyone. Well done. So now, let's keep learning. And what do we have here? So, I know what these are. Do you know what these are? That's right. So, these are different school subjects. What's your favorite subject in school? So let's say this question together. What's your favorite subject in school? All right, everyone. So can you answer? What's your favorite subject in school? English. All right. So mine was actually PE. I loved PE, and I also liked chemistry. All right. So let's practice our next word. Subject. So repeat after me. Subject. 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 Great job, everybody. Well done. And let's learn another new vocabulary word. So we have in our picture always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. They are our adverbs of frequency. And let's read our sentence. I always have fun in English class. Can you repeat after me? I always have fun in English class with Teacher Jace. Great job, everybody. And our next word is always. Let's say this together. Always. 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 I always have fun in English class. Fantastic work, everybody. So here we have always, our adverb of frequency. Now, I need your help. We have all 8 words behind me here. And can you help me spell them? Starting with always. How do we spell always? That's right. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. What about interesting? You got it. Intresting. Well done. Can you spell rise? Rise. Great work. Can you spell mild? Mild. What about set? Can you spell set? Well done, everybody. S-E-T. Can you spell night? N-I-G-H-T. Bingo! How about conversation? Conversation. Conversation. Great work. Our last one, subject. S-U-B-J-E-C-T. Subject. Great work, everyone. Now, here is our word list. Now, what word matches this picture? Do you know? Can you tell me? Interesting. Well done. Can you tell me the word that matches this picture? Conversation. Well done. Can you tell me the word that matches this picture? Rise. Excellent work. What about this picture? Set. Great job. And this one? Always. Well done. And this one? Mild. Great work. What about this one? Night. Excellent. How about this one? Math is a school subject. Well done. And this one? That's a tough one, but it's the word best. All right, everybody. So let's practice all of these words together. Interesting. Conversation. Rise. Set. Always. Mild. Night. Subject. And our last but very special word, best. Now, best, that's like Teacher Jace is the best. Say yes. All right. Thank you, everybody. So now let's continue on, and it's practice time. So let's answer some questions with knowledge of our new words. So I have 2 questions on this page and 4 words. That's not good. So we have the words interesting, always, rises, and best. Now, let's try and see if we can fill in the blanks of question number 1. So let's read the sentence. This book is so what? That's right. This book is so interesting. So let's say this sentence together. This book is so interesting. Great job, everyone. Number 2. Some of the blank wines come from France. Some of the what? So it's another word for like number 1, the greatest, the best. That's right. Let's say this sentence together. Some of the best wines come from France. Great work, everybody. So now, I have 2 more for you. And we have 4 words again. We have always, sets, rises, and night. So let's do number 3. She blank goes to school by bus. She what goes to school by bus? Do you know? Always? That's right. So let's say our sentence. She always goes to school by bus. Great job, everybody. So let's do number 4. The sun blank in the east. So the east. That's right. The sun rises in the east. Great job. Let's say that sentence together. The sun rises in the east. Great work, everybody! Well done today in lesson number 4. Now, my name is Teacher Jace, as always, and I will see you next time in lesson number 5. Goodbye for now!